a noisy night tonight. And I don't just mean Samson. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Samson, he's just a little wild right now. Wild, anxious. I don't know what the term is. That little Piper dog's in heat. And it's driving Samson crazy. But we have to keep them separated. Birds and frogs. So much noise. So much noise out here. There's like an opening in the woods here. That's weird. I've never noticed that before. Ooh. Oh, there's broken glass there. What's that from? And there's lots of mucky muck. I'm pretty sure my boys have been back here. My older sons, they used to roam everywhere. Well, this looks like it was once a road. Oh, check it out. It's another one of those brain mushrooms. This one's much bigger. That's pretty cool. I think I may have been back here once many years ago. Oh, and that's it. It ends right here, this opening. Oh no, maybe it doesn't. Maybe it turns. See? Look at that. Big gap in the trees there. Maybe I shouldn't have brought Samson back here. Now he'll think he can come back here. Yeah. Maybe it was used for logging. Well, it looks like tracks are here. Some big equipment came through here. I really don't know. Ouch. Okay, it didn't really hurt. Just caught my sleeve. Okay, it's getting dark. And I am not good at directions in the dark. Samson is, but he can go places I can't go. Ooh, look at the pretty sky. Yeah, the camera doesn't pick it up. It's a peachy color over there. I think there's a creek down there. Little itty-bitty tiny stream. Yeah, if this was once a road, it's no longer here. So, I'm gonna head back out. Huh. On second thought, it looks like it goes back that way. So, I'm going to work my way out because, like I said, it's getting dark. And I'm not so sure my sense of direction in the woods at night would go very well. Okay, that didn't make sense. I'm not so sure I could find my way through the dark, and I don't want to try. Yeah, it really looks like that's a track through here. It's interesting. Well, I can tell you it hasn't been used in the years I've lived back here. The peepers, they are peeping, that's for sure. It's really loud out here. I love those sounds. Okay, Samson and I are going to go and see what other kind of trouble we can get into. Oh, my camera got caught in a tree. Okay, we don't cause any trouble, do we, Samson? Where is he? There he is. He's no trouble. Ha. Go, boy. Go. 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 I can't walk. You're blocking my path. There's the moon. Let's go see how Ernie and Edna are doing. We're going to go check on Ernie and Edna. Ooh, I can hear them. Can you hear them? Oh, Ernie doesn't like Samson too much. All right, we'll leave you. It feels different back here at night than it feels during the day. I don't like the dark. It's kind of spooky back here. I come back here all the time. It shouldn't be spooky. But look, this little pond. Can you see that? I'm in the way. It just looks spooky. What other word can I use? I have no idea. Spooky. That's it. It's kind of cool tonight. So, got my warm jacket on and my gloves. I'm glad I brought my gloves. I almost didn't bring them because it got pretty nice today. But as the sun is, it's gone. It's cooling off out here. But the peepers sure are peeping tonight. Okay. Samson and I are going to head back. I don't want to go very far. But look, doesn't that look spooky? I guess creepy is another word I can use. Creepy, I know. I've got this big old dog with me. Still, I think I'll head back to the house. So I'm fixing dinner, and I'm making bacon cheeseburger cauliflower casserole. And I want to show. It's broken. I was fixing. Did I say I was fixing? Yes, it was broken. It's definitely broken. Let me show you what not to do with your cauliflower. Look at that. I burnt my cauliflower. You should see the pan. Well, maybe not. Look at that pan. It's all burnt in there. I had to soak it some more. I salvaged most of the cauliflower. It's gonna have a, what do you call that flavor? Yeah. Okay. So I have the hamburger and the bacon. I'm gonna throw in some mushrooms. It doesn't call for that, but I'm gonna add that anyway. Woo! I was going to make some kind of cream sauce to pour over this, but you know what? It looks good just the way it is, and I think I'm gonna eat it just the way it is. Yes.